right, good afternoon, traders. Today we're taking a look at CREE, C-R-E-E, and we're looking at a potential top pattern based on both seasonality and using our 3S code indicator. If you look back in history at what the 3S code has done at these levels, you can see that they're pretty accurate. Now this was a long trade, this 3S pattern right here. You see we broke and we went up and met target. That was about a $6 move. Now last time we had toppy action in this market, you can see they did work out pretty well and came down and met not only the first target right here, but also the second target. So you can see we broke right here, went straight down and met the target in one day, actually met the second target in the same day. And then back here in June of 2018, we had another one, a 1, 2, 3. We broke, had a couple of retests. We came down, met target 1 and target 2. So that was from 48 down to 46, down to 43. And then even earlier than that, back in March, we had another nice, clean 3S pattern. 1, 2, 3. We broke, and then we retested the breakout level, came down, and met our target down almost to the tick before reversing. So if we come forward here, now we are trying to print a new 52-week high in CREE. We had an attempt here right at the beginning of the month, beginning in February, 1, 2, 3, and this would have been the breakout level. That pattern is voided since we made a new high. So if this pattern holds, we would be looking for a short right around this area at 50.75. We'll call it $51. And the target's going to be the distance between this and this. So we're looking at 53 and 51, about $2, $3. So that's going to take us right around to about the 48 to 47 area. We'll call it right around in here. That's a good target area because we have old resistance here, which will now become support. So that's an idea that we're looking at. Seasonally, over the next 5 weeks, CREE has historically fallen about 0.5%, and this is based on 26 years of seasonality data. So we're not saying that the stock is absolutely going to crater, but it does look at a minimum weak to flat. Now, there's a couple other things that we can look at. Notice down here, I've got an RSI. We have RSI divergence. So we're sitting here putting in new 52-week highs, but we've got lower highs on the RSI. So that's kind of a second confirmation tool that I like to add. We're putting in new highs. We have a very reliable 3S code pattern that has been, 3 for 3 at these levels in the past. We have seasonal bias pointing lower, and then we also have some divergence. Selling out of the money call spreads above these levels could be considered. So I hope that helps. Trade well, and we'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.